Greetings to all art lovers. Today for your attention the original oil painting Spring is available to order. It was created by me, by Ukrainian artist Marina Stognieva, and now I want to tell you more about this painting and how you can order it.
This painting shows two birds chirping to each other and rejoicing in spring. The picture has a romantic atmosphere. The painting is created with oil paints on canvas with diameter of 40 centimeters. The painting can be ordered on the artist's website stognieva-marina.com in the bird section. Paintings are delivered all over the world.